So, how do you make a game like Roblox 2 in Roblox Studio? And this time, let's add an admin abuse text command system, so you can kick out the players for instance. And you can also find my Roblox 2 like premium framework, as well as a lot of other useful systems in the description. So now let's switch right to Roblox Studio. So we're inside Roblox Studio now, inside our experience. And you can enable chat like so, and press minus in my case. So let's say we want to start with an admin command like this, like instead of having to open our admin console all the time. And now you can add a new server, script to server, script service, or use an existing one, like I do. And each time a new player joins, like we can get access to the player system service up here. We connect this function to be executed each time they chat. We need to make sure they're an admin, like given this table for instance, and then we can split their message into various arguments, for instance, the first one being the command, the second one being the name, whatever. So this way we don't need to extract those manually, and then we can essentially branch here. For instance, if we use a kick command, we assume the next argument, like next word in chat, is the target player's name. If this fails, I don't really mind, and then we kick the target player like this. So let's try this real quick. Once I kick myself, there you go, perfect. And in case you've been following the admin command panel, I will be linking playlists at the top right, and I will also be putting this entire Roblox experience into the description for you for download. You might already have similar commands, like how to kill players or set their balance. You can also extract this if you like, this inline function, and make this a dedicated like combined function, where kick can just be sitting alongside the other ones here. And then we need to make sure to use those respective variable names, or argument 2. You can put the name below here instead, like where we had this inline definition before, and here we can just forward those arguments into this function, but then might have to go with a like finite whatever large number, for instance, for arguments, and extract them from this array. You can also forward this entire array into this here and then take it out again inside here, whatever. Let's have a look. Oh, and beforehand, if I want to make this uniform, I can also put a exclamation mark before those and have them start with a lowercase letter. And for instance here, where we were calling this a use command function, like from the local UI last time, just adapt this real quick, like so. So now I can also use all those commands we add in here. There you go, directly from chat, like a chat or pro dev, whatever. And in my setup, we have the player's balance directly below their player object. So inside here we might as well exit it and change its value to the one we passed, either through here or as a chat argument / word, because this is the separator. Awesome, and this is how you can add an admin abuse command system to your Roblox game. Anyway, feel free to let me know if you have any questions or need help with any of this, and have a good one.